We are young African inventors.
Young African inventors, yes, we are. We build young minds for global solutions. We are young African inventors. Hello, friends.
This is Yinstin Visual Hub, your channel for amazing science experiments, engineering DIY acts, arts and crafts.
The big idea today is that engineers are trained to solve problems. Sometimes it might be as simple as finding a solution to a leaking pipe, and other times it might be as complex as solving the problem of flooding an area.
We all seem used to inflating balloons by pumping air into them from our mouth and lungs. But this can be quite challenging and sometimes breathtaking. Can you see this? Wow, it's challenging. Especially when we have to inflate balloons for large birthday parties, weddings, and all such events that requires balloons for decoration.
Wow! In today's activity, we're challenging you to make a balloon air pump with recycled plastic bottle. A balloon air pump is a simple device that takes air from around it and uses the pressure of the air to inflate or expand the balloon, as you can see. Can you see that? It's been pumped? Yeah. Now it works with the principle of energy transformation. In this case, air pressure is being transferred from the environment into the plastic bottle and then finally into the balloon, which allows the balloon to expand and get bigger, like you can see. So that's it. I just got my balloon bigger by pumping with a balloon air pump.
By taking part in today's challenge, you will help to solve the problem faced by many event planners who inflate balloons by pumping air into them through their mouth or lungs, and this is the essence of STEAM learning.
So join us as we carry out the balloon air pump DIY challenge. Alright friends, we're set to make our balloon air pump, and we first of all have to list out our materials. We have a balloon and then a plastic bottle. Next we have a plastic bottle cover, the duct tape, a pencil, a pen, and our scissors. Now these are the materials used for making a balloon air pump. Now first of all, the first stage we're going to do right now is we're going to make a hole in our bottle cover. Using our pen, we'll pierce a simple hole first. You can actually ask an adult to do this part for you. And next we're going to do something. We're going to cut our balloon into a rectangular small size. And next we're going to place the rectangular piece of balloon over the hole which you actually made on the bottle cover, just like that. Alright, and one more thing, you must make sure that your hole on the bottle cover is actually large enough, alright, so you can actually use a scissors to try to increase the size of the hole as much as possible as you can. Please be careful here, or ensure to do this with the supervision of an adult. And now you can see how big my hole size is. And when you're done with that, the next thing is to just place the balloon piece on the cover to just check out and ensure that the balloon piece covers the hole properly. And next we'll be applying our tape, and then look, I already cut out some tapes already on ground, as you can see. And now I'm trying to place the tape on the ends of the piece of balloon here. And then you also place the same tape on the other end of the balloon piece. We actually have to put the tapes on the three ends of the balloon and piece, and then leave just one end open. Now try to stretch your balloon when you're placing the tapes to ensure it's free and it's actually overlapping on the bottle cover. And now the third part, as you can see, wow, we're getting closer. We're almost done with a balloon air pump. and then ensure it's properly sealed while doing this part of it. And then I'm going to cut out the extra part of my tape with the scissors. Please do this very carefully or under the adult supervision. And now lastly, I'm going to put a tape to go round the side of the bottle cover, holding all the side tapes in place. Yeah. Alright. And next, I'm just gonna push it on to ensure it's properly sealed and in place. Now note that I actually put those tapes on the 3 sides of the balloon piece and not on the 4 sides. Note that. Okay. Now next I'm gonna put a hole in the body of the bottle. Just cover the bottle first and then pry it out with a thumbtack pin. Just put a little hole in there, as you can see. Please be careful about this one, or you must do this by an adult supervision. You can see it's so easy, right? Yeah, it's better. And then with your pencil on the same hole, you try to increase the hole size with your pencil. Yeah, just like that. Can you see that? Can you see that? Alright, we've done that right now with a pencil. That makes the work easier. Okay. Alright, cool, right? Okay. And next, no words. And next, I'm gonna put the balloon on the bottle top. Okay, I'm gonna carefully do that to avoid it from getting torn. Yeah, I got it done, right? So we're good to go. Now next, we want to blow our balloon right now. And how do we do that? Now carefully place a hand on the hole. Yeah, you place a hand on the hole and you press. Yeah, like that. You press quickly. Yeah, can you see that? And that's our balloon being pumped right now. Wow, steam rocks, right? Yeah, steam rocks. Can you see that? It's been inflated. And that's how we make the balloon air pump from plastic bottle. Wow, cool, right? Interesting. Wow. Now, don't forget to send your participation of the videos and pictures of this challenge to our platforms, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to follow us on Twitter and Facebook and on Instagram. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.